I'm going to show you how to play back a recording using RemotiveTopology. So inside our examples, we added a few new things. One of them is the Tesla example. So if we go in here, you can see all the instructions how to get started. One of the first things you need to do is you need to make sure that you have LFS properly set up, because the files are quite large. So once that's done, you should see all the files that in here. So let's take a look. What do we have? So first of all, we have a platform, and the platform is just a regular RemotiveTopology file describing what CAN buses exist. In this case, we have 2 CAN buses, and we have 2 DBC files. Then we have the recording itself. This is a drive through a roundabout. So we have 2 CAN dump log files, and we have 4 video streams. And inside the recording session, you can see when this was recorded and if there's some offset needed, and when the videos were recorded. And you can also see the platform that is connected to this recording. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we can do is to make sure that we have the correct version of RemotiveTopology installed. And we should have 0.14 or later. Okay, then we can create an output folder where we can store the generated files that we will have. The next thing is to take the recording session and the platform it's using and to create an instance. So let's do that. Recording session. Let's check what was generated. And as you can see here, the CAN buses has been created, but the driver is set as UDP. This means that I can run this on Mac and Windows. And you can also see the folder where the recordings is stored and what platform is being used here. Okay, so let's generate the Docker files based from this. Topology. Okay, now the Docker files is generated and we can actually start them. So let's start them using Docker Compose and oh, sorry, we want to have the UI as well. Okay, now the spoiler is running and the UI is running, so let's take a look at the UI. Let's reload this. You can see, so this is the RemotiveStudio and connected to the topology. So let's start the recording. You can see the recording session that we saw earlier. Let's set the repeat and start playing. And let's visualize the speed, and let's also add a video. And you can see we have all 4 videos here. Let's take one of them like this, and you can see this is a very short recording. It's only 23 seconds. You can see that we drive towards the roundabout, and you can see how the speed changes. And of course, you also have all the other signals that are available on a Tesla. that's it.